burn, you remnants of the old world.
Human survive the cold, or like let's survive the storm. We finished our progress series of day 1 day. I think it's our day 32. So day 32. Okay. Now our target is to reach furnace 30. I don't know how many days it's gonna take, but let's see. And also let's see on background. I guess that did not today. Today also I couldn't. I was out in Hyderabad. Okay. Hyderabad traffic really stuck. And the old city, it's like headache. If you come to old city, you will feel like the I don't ever want to drive again. That much pain in the butt. Oh, oh, 2, 3. I'm planning to. We were burning and we got help from a. Hmm. Okay. Now I am uploading. Second up. Just my phone. Screw it. Let's go. Like train our troops right now. We're gonna use everything this will. Hmm. Yeah, one more, and we are done with our example. Let's do it. Mark. think we are going to end up with no without plan. Future is like a lot. I haven't been promoting my lantern. I don't know what we are doing, but we are doing good. I just wanted to do it, that's it. There is no specific reason for promoting. Yeah, I know I could have found a better time to promote, but I just wanted to do it, that's it. Let's see. Stupid. Speed up this. I don't close gonna but it's good thing like we don't need to send our load level. Going for each level 2 and going to get level 13. Excellent. Okay. Now it will be on to the next week. Let's enjoy the video. Mm. Wow. Speed it up. Hurry up. We don't have a proper defense hero. We lost this. We were wasn't expecting it. We are winning. Let's gonna do that one last time. Let's try to get through this. Let's see. Let's update. 4 days, 19 hours. 3 days, 20. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, yeah. Chalo guys, bye bye. Good night. I'll be fine.